Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to insert signature in PDF. In order to do that, first of all, you have to open your local browser, and after that, you have to search for Adobe PDF Sign. And then you have to select the first link. Just simply click over here and it will ask you to select your file, or you just need to drag your PDF over here. I will select the file where I want to insert the signature. I will choose the file, open it. So it will take a moment to open the file. So just wait for here. So if you are using for the first time, after clicking or selecting the file, it will ask you to sign in Adobe. So what you have to do is just simply click on the sign up, and after sign up, you will get to see this kind of interface in front of you. So after selecting over here, in the left side, you will get to see this edit your signature. Already I have added one signature earlier, so it will showing something like this. Initially, you will get to see this edit your signature. Just simply click over here and you will get three options. You can type over here and you can draw, or you can add image of your original sign. So what I will do is just simply draw my sign. Just simply draw my sign. This is for tutorial. So what I will do, just simply click on the save, and where you want to put this sign, you can just simply drag it over there and resize it. If you want, just simply click, and now the work is done. From here in the top, you can download this PDF. Just simply click on the download. Now it will ask you to choose compressed PDF or this PDF. Just simply click on the download after choosing the format. So this is how you can insert signature in PDF. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.